Hi. So this is GATE CSIT question from the data structures which is asked in 2018. Okay. So this is from the binary tree concept. In this question he given that post order and in order. Okay. For a tree he given post order and in order. So by using this we have to construct a binary tree first of all. And in the question he is asking that what is the height of the tree. So that means first of all you have to get the tree, then you can find out the height easily. Okay, that is what longest path from the root node to leaf node. Okay, so here first of all you have to get the tree. So let us see that one first of all. Okay, so here these are the given post order and in order. Okay, so from this what is our observation? So first of all you have to find the root node, right? So how you will find out root node always? See, we know that already. If you want to get back the binary tree or binary search tree, you must have in order along with pre-order or post order. So here we have post order and in order. Now either from pre-order or from post order, always you can get the root node, or you can say always you can get the parent node first of all. So from the post order, how you will find the root node or parent node? Okay. So what is the post order? It is going to visit first of all left child and then right child, then parent. Okay. So parent it is visiting at the end. That means parent considering at the end after left and right child considered. So that means in this entire traversal, whoever is at the last, that will become the parent node, right? That means that is the root node, because this is the first node you are going to start. So that means 1 is the root node, right? So 1 is the root node. Then who are the left subtree vertices, who are the right subtree vertices? How you will identify? So that we can get by in order. So how and all? Where is 1 in the in order? Try to identify. So 1 is at here. So the vertices which are before 1 is in the left subtree. Okay. The vertices after 1 is in the right subtree. Is it or not? So because what is its order? In order is what actually? Left, then parent and then right. Okay. So this in is talking about the parent position, right? So in between left and right parent we are going to have. After left and right parent we are going to have. That is what post is going to talk. Okay. So now from this what is our understanding? So the vertices all these are in a left subtree. Okay. And these vertices are in the right subtree. Okay. Now these are the left subtree vertices. Now what is this? Is the in order of the left subtree. If you take only left subtree, its in order is this one. So what is its corresponding post order? How many elements are there here? That many elements consider from first. That is what left, right? So how many elements are here? 7 elements are there. So next first 7 elements will become the left subtree post order. Okay. Now this will become right subtree. So since we have only one node, so that will become the right child of 1. That you can take directly. Now, so left subtree if you take, so this left subtree in order is this one, that is 8, 6, 9, 4, 7, 2, 5, and its post order is what? So its post order is 8, 9, 6, 7, 4, 5, 2 actually. Okay, whatever nodes here, same nodes definitely will exist here. Order may be different. Okay, so that is what first thing. Then here we have 3, that is both in order and post order. Next, now 1 is it already decided. Now 3 is only one node, you can take that directly as a right child. Now what about the left child? Now from this you can get, right, because these two sequences are corresponding in order and post orders for this left subtree. So now from this what you can say, same thing recursively apply here. So come to the post order, whoever is at the end, that will become the parent node. So parent node or root node in this left subtree. So that means 2 is at here, right? So that means this is the left child of 1. Now for the 2, what are the vertices at left subtree and what are the vertices at right subtree? That is what we have to find out now. Okay, for that come to in order. So if you come to in order, where is 2 actually? Here it is. That means recursively these vertices will become in left subtree and these vertices in the right subtree. So 5 is in the right subtree. Okay, now if you take its in order, so left subtree in order if you take 8, 6, 9, 4, 7 and post order if you take 8, 9, 6, 7, 4. Okay, so this is the post order and this is the left subtree and this is right subtree vertices. So recursively same thing we are going to apply always. Okay, so now next if you continue, so 1 and so here 1 is there, next 2 is there, 3 already fixed. Now right child of 2 is also fixed because only one node is exists, so that you can take directly 5 here. Now who is the left child for 2? That is what. So recursively what process you followed here, same thing we are going to follow here. So in the post order, whoever is at the end, that will become the root node in the left subtree. That means that is the left child of 2. So that means 4 is the left child of 2. Now who are in the left subtree for 4 and who are in the right subtree for 4? Okay, that is what we have to find out from the in order, right? So where is 4? Here 4. That means these 3 vertices is in the left subtree and that too this is the in order traversal. That means its corresponding post order is first 3 vertices. Then this node is in the right subtree. So this is what right subtree. So that is what left right parent and here left right subtree and parent. Okay. So now from this, so in order is here, in order is 8, 6, 9 and post order, its corresponding post order. This subtree in order is 8, 6, 9, post order is 8, 9, 6. Okay, and here we have only one vertex, that is 7. Okay, that is 7 here. Now from this again same thing recursively we are going to get. So that is first of all 1 and 3 right child, 2 is left child, then 5, then here 4 and its right child is 7. Okay, same discussion. Now if you come here, okay, so here same thing in the post order, whoever is at the last, that will become the root node in this subtree. So 6 is at the last, that is the root node, that will become the left child of 4. So where is 6 in the in order? 6 is at here, right? So this is the left child and this is the right child. So from this directly you can take 8 and 9. Okay, so here recursively you have to work always. Okay, so if you have post order, always get the parent node at the end. Then that node where it is exist in the in order, try to find out. So wherever it is exist, then take before vertices has left subtree vertices, after vertices has right subtree vertices. Okay, in this way if you do recursively for every subtree, then we are going to get final tree from the given post order and in order. And same thing we will follow for pre-order and in order also. But in case of pre-order, first vertex will become the parent. But in case of post order, last vertex will become the parent. Now what is the question he is asking? What is the height of the tree? So this tree height we have to find out. That is what we have to tell. Okay. So what is its height? So longest leaf node path. So leaf nodes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. So what is its height? So longest path from the root node. So here height is 4, here height 4, here height 3, 2, 1. That means number of edges in that path. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges are there. So path length is 4, that means height is 4. So height of the tree is longest path length, right? So 4. So answer for this given question is 4. Okay.